Hey guys, today we are going to be making DIY loop tassel earrings. Let's get into what you're going to need. All of the items used will be listed below in the description box. For our first step, we're going to unwind the embroidery string. Yes, unwind it all the way, get the tangles out. We're going to take our 8" by 3" cardboard cutout and wrap it around that. Now we're going to take our second embroidery string color and we're going to tie it twice in the middle on both sides. That's right, 2 knots, flip it over, and repeat. Our next step is to cut off the embroidery string. Right on the ends. Yes, once you get one side cut off, you'll simply lift it a little to get those scissors underneath it and cut the other side off. This is how we end up with both of our earrings. See? One wrap, 2 earrings. Now we're going to take our ruler, measuring 1½ inch away from the center on both sides. I'm going to take my string that I want to wrap around my loop. I'm going to do a single knot. 1 knot, guys. You don't need to do 2 knots here. I'm going to take my bead fix, which is adhesive, and I'm just going to do 1 drop right there on that turn. Yep, dries super duper quick. I'm going to take the shorter leg, hold it downward with the rest of the embroidery string, remove that center band, and now I'm going to start the wrapping process. This is super easy. You do want to make sure that you do this tight. You want to make sure that the string lines up exactly after the last turn or the last string so that there are no gaps, and you want it to be super tight. Like, it should be hard to fold this. When we get towards the end, we are not going to knot it. You see what I did there? We're not going to knot it. We're going to simply pull it tight, take that same bead fix glue, and we're going to drop 1 dot there. Hold it for a second. We're going to come back and cut off that string. It's all secure. All right, so you folded your earring in half and you have a beautiful loop. Now it's time to secure that. You would want to pick an opposite color or a complementary color. I am doing light pink here. Once again, we are going to do 1 single tie. 1 single tie. That's it, folks. I'm going to take the bead fix yet again, drop 1 dot, allow that to dry, and then I'm going to cut that excess string off. We're not going to use it this time. We're just going to go ahead and trim that right off. Next, we're going to do the same thing we did on the dark purple part, and that's wrap. Wrap to your desired width, secure it down, remove that excess string, and now it's time to add our ear wire. I'm going to open that up with some needle nose pliers. Find the best gripping for you and wiggle it in right at the top of your loop. Focusing on getting in the center of the loop, you're going to turn that upside down to assure that that little ball is out of the way. Close it. And now we are going to even out our tassel part. And there you have it, your own custom DIY loop tassel earrings. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below, can you see yourself wearing these? If so, what color combinations would you do? Make sure you guys check out my last video. It's an awesome recap of my great event, Create and Chat with Maria Antoinette. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!